In the Reiner Report tonight, a federal judge in Texas has blocked the FDA's approval of the most widely used abortion pill.
Next question is, how does that impact California? Our political reporter Morgan Reiner spent the day answering that question for you. She joins us now. Morgan, what moves has California made in reaction?
Chris and Laura, the state announced today they've created an emergency stockpile of up to 2 million of a different type of an abortion pill. And in some big news, the California lawmaker told me the state is ready to do even more.
Right now, there are two federal cases going on at the same time. A federal judge in Texas ruled Friday to block the FDA's approval of mifepristone, an abortion pill. But a federal judge in Washington ruled Friday to keep the FDA approval in place, like it has been for decades.
You have these competing rulings, and both are being appealed, and neither go into effect until at least a few more days.
Chair of the Legislative Women's Caucus, Senator Nancy Skinner, said if the Texas case prevails, Californians, for the most part, should not be impacted.
The Texas ruling affects is the ability for a pharmacy to dispense. Doctors can still prescribe.
If a doctor still decides to prescribe the pill that's no longer FDA approved, where would a patient pick up the pill if pharmacies can't dispense it?
We are still working out. We may have our own means to be able to distribute, and we will work that out.
So California would consider creating its own pharmacy?
Well, the governor's office is still working those things out, but obviously we have stockpiled the medication.
Governor Gavin Newsom announced today that the state stockpiled up to 2 million of a different abortion pill, which he admits is not the preferred of the two options, but is still safe and effective.
We will, regardless of how this turns out, we will have the pill available.
Planned Parenthood of LA told me while they know Californians still have full access to abortions in California, they are worried the Texas ruling could confuse people.
We continue educating everyone to make sure there is not too much confusion, even though people feel a little bit uncertainty at this time.
Now, the head of California Family Council, an anti-abortion organization, reacted to the news today that California is stockpiling abortion pills. In a statement, Jonathan Keller said California again proves the only choice they care about is abortion.
Controversial topic indeed. Morgan, talk to us about what comes next in this case. Seems like a big battle in court.
Yeah, these rulings are going to be appealed, and they can go all the way up to the Supreme Court. And we know that the Supreme Court does lean more conservative at this moment, so that's what the outlook is looking like.
Our Morgan Reiner in studio for us tonight. Morgan, thank you.